Just take the simple meaning of the word chi. Chi means breath or air. Very simple. If we stop breathing, that means we have no chi, so we die. So right? So we have no chi, we die. So we need to have chi. Now, chi have quality. You know, our breathing have quality. The Indian don't talk about the quality of the chi. The Indian just talk about breath. Just breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. They just talk about general thing. But we talk about specific thing. There are three chi that we need to know. One is called the pre-birth chi. Pre-birth. What is pre-birth chi? Very important. Pre-birth chi in Chinese we call yuan qi. Yuan qi means the original qi. You get it from your mother and your father.
Okay.
That means when you're born with that energy, it comes from your father and mother. When you're conceived as a baby inside. So it's very important, as a mother especially, when you're pregnant with that baby, you make sure you're not taking alcohol, you're not taking drugs, you're not taking chemicals, you're not even taking pills, even headache pills, because you can transform to the baby. See that? That's why some kids are born with some defects, or born with as a diabetes because you're diabetic, born with high blood pressure later because you have high blood pressure. You know, it passed down to you. So it's very important during pregnancy, you cannot be unhealthy, especially in the mom. Father also play a part in it. So that is called the pre-birth energy. In this case, it's not breath now, it's energy.
Okay.
You understand now?
Yeah.
Chi alone means breathing, but now we are defining the actual meaning of chi. Follow?
Mm-hmm.
Follow? Okay. So pre-birth chi, and then we have post-birth chi, after you're born. So when you're born, unfortunately, the doctor whacked the butt of the kid so he breathed, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy, isn't it?
It's not good to do that?
No, I'm just joking. They whack you and then you start breathing.
Okay, I don't
You
know.
know, it's called post-birth chi. Now, where do you get post-birth chi?
Yeah.
You breathe the air.
Okay.
You breathe the air, right? You breathe in, that's post-birth chi. What about the other chi? It's called uh, post-birth chi means zhong qi. Zhong qi means the center. You breathe in, you go in, and you breathe. And then you got your mom and dad energy. You got the air energy. Where's the other energy? Food.
Okay.
Food you eat. It's called wei qi. So we got air qi, and we got food qi. These are the three qis you get. Which one is important? This one is the most important.
The pre-birth.
Yes, if your parents give you a good one, you got it made.
Wow.
But if you keep partying at a later age, you didn't get it made.
Wow. Okay.
If your pre-birth is very good energy, you got it made. It's the healthiest kid. But a lot of time when the kid become unhealthy is because the post-birth chi messed up. Maybe they live in New York City, breathe the wrong air, and maybe from the food that they take. They eat junk food and McDonald's every day. You see?
Yeah.
So they messed up the post-birth chi, you know. But the pre-birth chi is the chi that was given to you, not because you did something. It's not because you breathe the air, not because of food you eat. It is the original chi. So the original chi is very, very important in our life. And it's stored in the kidney.
Okay.
It's stored in the kidney. The kidney, because it's stored in the kidney, therefore the kidney energy is the most important thing, especially for the men. Okay. The kidney is responsible for development. The kidney is responsible for the bone. The kidney is responsible for your teeth. The kidney is responsible for your ear. The kidney is responsible for your age. So your kidney is strong, you stay young. Your kidney is weak, you get old very fast. If your hair stops dropping and it's not growing back, that means your kidney energy is depleted.
Oh wow.
You see? So that's why some kids have no hair. You don't know why? Because they were born that way. So they're born with not very strong kidney energy. And when that happens, they need a lot of good air, good food to replace what they don't have. Okay. Now the question is that, oh, I have a lot of pre-birth chi. Does it mean I don't have to worry about it? No, you do. It's like I told you, you got 10,000, nothing hurt by have another 5,000.
Yeah.
You may not need it, but it doesn't hurt. So these are the post-birth chi you want to accumulate every day. Okay. Now these are the post-birth chi. Okay. Then we have the function of the chi. What does the chi do? Is that because we're breathing? Well, the chi, now you have to think of chi like the car. When you drive the car, you ignite the gas, it's from the petrol, right? From the petrol. We call it gas in America.
Yeah.
What do you call it here?
Petrol.
Oh, petrol. Okay, that's a British term. The petrol. So you crank the petrol go and ignite something and the car move, right? If you don't have petrol, the car doesn't move.
Yeah.
Correct?
Correct.
So that means it's chi. If you don't have chi, the car is dead, the body is dead. But if your petrol is good quality, super unleaded quality, the car runs good, correct?
Yeah.
Same thing with the body. Now you
And
see,
how do we know if we have a good pre-birth or a bad?
from your sickness over the years when you get older.
Okay.
If you get sick very easily, when you're a child, you're always sick, probably the chi that your parents give it to you, it's not that good. Not strong. I wouldn't say it's not good, it's not strong.
Okay.
But it's very funny that they have history where the parents are very strong, the mother is very strong, they give birth to the kid is defective. How do you explain that?
I don't know.
The grandparents.
Ha!
Really?
Smart girl. Yes, the grandparents.
So you can actually get it
Yes,
genetically
sure,
from.
because
you
they
can
go
even
down the
get
line.
From
Oh,
very
way
old
down.
generation.
Remember who go to hell and who go to heaven we were talking?
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
now
yeah.
we relate to that idea now. Now we're talking about this. Yes, you can. Sometimes your mom carried that part from the grandparents and it's not released on her, now it's released to the grandkids. Yes, you can. So it's 2 generations of punishment. So it's all karma, what do you want to call it. So these are very important. So pre-birth chi, we're not going to talk about it anymore. There's nothing we can do because the parents gave it to us. But what about the post-birth chi? The food. The food we eat is very important. Now we talk about the 5 elements after that, about the food. The air, nothing we can do. If we live in a place with bad air, we're stuck with it. No. Now, what can you do? Sometimes when the air comes in, sometimes the food comes in, how can you make your chi stronger to process the food? You may eat the good food, but if the organ doesn't process the food correctly, then the energy is not good either.
Yeah.
Right? Follow me?
Yeah.
So the process is very important. So the process, in order to get the nutrients from the food, the organs have to function correctly the way they're supposed to function. Okay? Now, in order for the organ to function correctly, they need the super unleaded gas, which is the super chi they need to get. Follow?
Yeah.
Okay. But if you're born with super chi, awesome. If you're not, then you need to have good air, you need to have process your food and all that. Then the food will simulate once, okay, the food come in, you go to the stomach, do the job, and then you go to the spleen will transfer the blood, the nutrients to all the organs so that they have the essence to survive. So if any of the organs don't function correctly, you have problems.
Okay.
So this stupid organ inside, I don't call it stupid, I was joking. You better make them listen to you. Because they don't listen to you, you're in big trouble.
Yeah.
Now, how can we make it strong?
Yeah.
That's the question.
I know you're going to ask me that. Well, sorry, your grandpa screwed up.
Really?
Well, if he screwed up here,
Yeah.
you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but there's ways.
Yeah,
of,
there are ways to do it. Then you do meditation, you do yoga,
Okay.
you have no stress, you find the right boyfriend,
Yeah.
that kind of stuff. You will not have this problem. But we don't do that. We get this kind of problem every day, you know.
Yeah.
And you have to eat the right time, which Morocco had the biggest problem.
Oh yeah. Late eating.
Yeah.
Most of it.
Now, of course, we can argue and say, well, you know, the funny thing is that, like, a husband, a father, he can eat 11:30.
Yeah.
So what's your problem? He's older than you.
Yeah.
You see, we can question that. Why a husband can eat, your father can eat 11:30, and you cannot eat 11:30. You realize you cannot. He can. Well, he was built differently back in the old days.
So his pre-birth
Yeah,
was
his
better.
birth, not necessarily. He was built differently during
Yeah.
the time. You are iPhone ladies. He doesn't have an iPhone. So you depend on this iPhone. He doesn't. I'm just joking. What I'm saying is that you're living in the millennial year of lifestyle. He lived the baby boomer lifestyle.
Yeah.
The energy is different. So his energy is strong to put up with it. But he's going to run out of it if he doesn't do something about it.
Yeah.
One of these days, the doctor said, no, you cannot eat 11:30. They will tell him. then he will listen. Now he will not listen because he feels good. But to change him right away is still not good either.
Yeah.
So to change him, you got to go slowly. Slowly. Okay, let's eat at 10:30. Okay, maybe 6 months later, let's eat at 9:30. That's where you need to come in and tell your father. But then you use facts now. Explain. You don't just tell your father. You tell him, well, the book say, Mr. Wong say, acupuncture say, I study this. That's why you have to eat at 9:30.
Yeah.
And then he'll think, yeah, okay, I'll listen to you. No problem.
He wants to.
Huh?
No, my dad is very good with early eating.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we get carried away doing
Yeah.
things.
So, you know what I'm saying? So, why do we have to eat the right time? And then we're going to talk about the energy again. The energy, what we're going to do the right time. Okay. So the chi, if it's strong, it do all the function. Another good example is if the energy is not strong, it will not allow the heart energy. The liver, the heart, the spleen, which is the stomach, the lung, and the kidney. These 5 elements or 5 organs, they function together through energy. What we call the meridian. That's where I put the acupuncture point. I don't simply put the point. I don't say, oh, today I feel good. I just close my eyes and put it on.
No.
It's going to hurt like hell. I have to put at the right place so that it go to the meridian.
Yeah.
So you heard about, she was telling me now they have YouTube acupuncturist. That's dangerous.
Yeah. Oh my God, seriously?
Yes. Yes. These people learn about YouTube. I couldn't believe they think they are learning jiu-jitsu on YouTube. Yeah, there are many Moroccan on YouTube acupuncturists.
What do you but acupuncture you need to know? You can't just be.
There are many of them out there. It's crazy. That guy, the one, his name is Tofik Bakara, he posts something on there. It's crazy.
But what? Jiu-jitsu or?
No, about acupuncture point.
Acupuncture.
Yeah, he used big words and it's up on the YouTube.
Yeah.
But because you don't know. So,
Ah.
okay, someone needs to translate your dad. He likes to hear. He likes it. Thank you for coming. Tell your dad, I'm very happy he came to my lecture. Yeah. Yeah. Mucho gracias. Shukran. Shukran for coming. Yeah, he's happy.
Okay.
Okay.
I just wanted to put the small board to write the different elements
Okay.
of what
So-
feeds what. So
So,
we can know.
so the energy had to be strong. Now, sometimes energy is strong, even lower because of your emotions.
Oh, okay.
Your emotion drains your energy. Your thought drains your energy. Your business drains your energy. Your neighbors drain your energy. The
My
lady,
neighbors
they
for
throw
sure.
stuff on you, you're upset. I talk to her, I say, oh my God. She already upset, drains her energy.
My
It drains her energy.
Yeah.
So every day we get drained, correct? Every day. For example, let's say God give us $5,000 worth of energy. God. Every day 5,000. He's a nice guy. Give you 5,000.
Yeah.
You wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
you want to eat something. The cook is fighting with each other. You don't get the food. You get upset.
Uh-huh.
So how much energy you wasted? 500.
Okay.
So you have minus 500. Then you drive. You hit traffic. Somebody cut in front of you. Stupid guy call name and you get mad. You lost 1,000 energy. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's eating you up.
Yeah.
You talk to a bunch of people in business. You talk to a bunch of guys. You thought you got it, but they get you, and you got upset. You lost another $2,000 worth of energy. And then you have a meeting at 4 o'clock with some ladies. Even worse, they eat you up completely. So you lost $3,000 worth of energy,
And then you're negative.
and then you're negative. It's just 5,000, 6,500. So you short minus 1,500.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say you're married, you come home, you had a great Moroccan wife, you had to cook for your crazy husband, and the stupid guy wanted to have a nice piece of steak, you had to go shopping, and then you hit someone.
Yeah.
How much?
Yeah. There goes another 2,000.
Another 2,000. And then you're about to go to sleep, you watch the news,
Yeah.
they're shooting in America. You just told me. You get upset.
Yeah.
Shooting in America.
Yeah,
You saw, you're upset.
2 times.
Yeah, 2 times. Then you minus, here's 6,000 minus 1,000 minus 1,000. So you're about to go to sleep. You're ready to go to sleep. You're happy. Then your mother-in-law call you. Sophia, I just went to the casino. I lost 20,000. Can I borrow 10,000 from you? Oh my God. You see? Every day, we're going crazy. So you lost now 1,000. So you already minus 10,000 here, but God very fair. Tomorrow He give you 5.
Yeah.
But you got 5. You already minus before you start your day.
Yeah.
Okay, this is stress. The definite stress is this. This is stress. You understand that? This is stress. This is real stress. This is what kills you. And when you get this problem, all these organs, all this energy is not going to work because you screw it up. This energy was very nice. Pre-birth, give it to you. Post-birth, the food you eat. And then you do all these stupid things every day.
Yeah.
Every day. Because you don't know, you don't see the way the things are. Like I was telling you, you have to see things the way they are. Yeah, if you see things the way they are, you handle it better. Let's say your mother-in-law took 10,000, 2,000 from you. She want to borrow money from you.
Yeah.
If you're smart, okay, mom, no problem. Give me a few days. You make him wait. You make her wait. Then you're not losing the money. Right away, your mindset is calm now. Because you don't want a situation coming to you, you get upset right away.
Yeah.
You program in it, you took it, and switch it somewhere. You just go to sleep. Because when you go to sleep, you're energized tomorrow. But when you think about it, it gets worse.
Okay.
Because problems keep coming every day. I make you sit down the other day. What did you say? Thoughts come in.
Yeah.
When they come in, then I told you not to get involved, but you went and involved with your thought. Why?
It's hard.
It's hard. You involve with your thought every day. Because you try to cut it off. You cannot. Because this mind is like a monkey. This monkey mind, you have to, crazy, you know. So if you're able to get rid of the thought, you starting to become a hero. And then you're able to manage the thought, you become a supergirl. Then you see everything transparent. Doesn't matter anymore. This is what you want to be. But not easy. Even I cannot do it. Not easy. Not easy. But if you understand this concept, you can start preparing yourself. Does that make sense? So enough of this. So I want to talk about the energy right now.
It's a very good. Oh no, it's okay quality. No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah? Oh yeah, it's good.
I was
I think you want to hear the 5 element more.
Yes.